Is your PC hacked? And find out now. First, you need to press Windows and R keys together, and then you'll have the run right here. You need to just simply enter MRT and hit the enter. Click on yes. After that, it will open the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. You need to just simply click on next. Make sure that you've selected quick scan. If you don't have enough time and you need a quick scan, you can go and select the first one for finding malicious software. If you have time and you don't want to skip any folder, then you can go and simply select a full scan. It's going to help you to find out virus to go through every file in your computer has. So for right now, I'm going to go for a quick scan. Simply click on next. It will going to run and wait for the scan to complete. It might take a few minutes. And after the scan has been completed, if it says that no malicious software was detected, if you get this kind of message, then it's all right. You don't have any malicious software in your PC. After that, you can go with the second step, which is press Windows and R keys together. And then you will have an option to type. You need to type for netplwiz and hit the enter. And it's going to open the user accounts right here for your computer PC. You can see that I only have one user account, or I have two, but I know that I've created this one. If you have a lots of user accounts in your computer, simply see them through the window called user accounts, which is right here. You can simply select them. If you don't want, you can just simply click and remove the user that you don't want. Just click on it and then go with remove and then click on yes, and the account has been removed. This is how you can check if your PC is hacked or not. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.